In just moments, paradise turned to ash. Homes, lives, and dreams consumed by an unstoppable inferno. But in the face of destruction, heroes rise, and hope refuses to burn out. This is the story of Los Angeles' fight against the flames. Entire neighborhoods have been reduced to ashes, with over 1,000 families displaced. The firestorm moved faster than ever, fueled by strong winds and dry conditions. Residents had mere minutes to escape.
Oh my God, miren el remolino que se hace de fuego. Que no se ve escaleras a las casas.
More than 2,000 firefighters have risked their lives on the front lines, battling towering flames and enduring brutal conditions. Yet they press on, driven by duty and determination. As the flames raged, the community came together. Volunteers opened their homes, shelters took in displaced animals, and rescue teams worked tirelessly to save livestock and pets. Local and federal leaders have pledged support for rebuilding efforts. However, the fires have sparked heated debates about preparedness and environmental policies. Critics argue that more proactive measures like prescribed burns and indigenous land management are needed to prevent future disasters. Los Angeles will rebuild, as it always does. The scars left by the fire serve as a reminder of nature's power and our resilience. In the face of adversity, the spirit of humanity endures. This is more than a story of loss. It's a testament to the strength of a community. Together, we rise.
Thank you for watching our documentary on the Los Angeles wildfires. Every view, every share helps spread awareness about this critical issue. If this story moved you, consider supporting the brave firefighters, the displaced families, and the animals affected by this tragedy. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our stories of resilience, hope, and humanity. Together, we can make a difference. See you in the next video.